a complete house remodel that we're doing in La Crescenta. We're gonna start here at the downstairs guest bathroom. We have the shower with the new shower valve and everything, all the plumbing. We have the toilet here that we're gonna be installing. We have new angle stops, new seals, and of course the toilet. And a new vanity with a new faucet and the drain part. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the lavatory sink. We're gonna go ahead and install the hot and cold angle stop, and then we work on the faucet, the drain, hooking it up the water flexes to the faucet, and then we test it. Okay, so as you can see, we installed the hot and cold angle stop. That's the drain that we're gonna connect into it for the faucet drain. Okay, so we're gonna install the faucet, a Moen faucet. Okay, so that completes the installation for the lavatory sink faucet. That's hot water, stopper working. Got the hot water going. Gonna fill it up a little bit. Let the water drain. Draining good, no leaks. Got the toilet done. And also the shower. Stop. Goes from cold, warm to hot. Very good.